So what we were going through in the last class, I think we done with the QP discussion. So guys, I think we left with couple of questions from a pair of linear equations in two variables. So let's go ahead with those questions. Let me open that. And guys, next, the upcoming exam also would be on pair of linear equations in two variables. So make sure that everyone is preparing well for that exam. Okay. And yeah. One second. Yeah, let me share the question. Ah, guys, everyone solve this eighth question. I mean, seventh question also you can solve it. Seventh question, you take it as homework, guys. Everyone take a snap of this question. Seventh question, you take this question as homework. Take a snap, or I'll share these notes. Do not worry. Seventh question homework, I'll share. Don't worry. Solve eighth question now. Solve this eighth one. So the difference between two numbers is 2. Difference between two numbers is 2. Their product is 84 greater than the square of the smaller number. What is the sum of two numbers?
Sir, the sum of two numbers is 86.
86. Who is this fellow? Who is this guy?
Nihal, sir.
Good.
Sir, I got 18.
18. Let's see who is 86, who is 18. Let's see that. '86 is the right answer. Look at this. Very simple. 86, 86, that is what he has given here. Check. He has given an explanation. So difference between two numbers is 2. So I can take x minus y is equal to 2 or y minus x is equal to difference. मतलब देखो इसमें कोई like you will not be having any order. Difference मतलब 2 you can take like this. Okay. So y minus x is equal to he took. Larger number is y, greater number, smaller number is x he took. And the product, their product is 84. Product is what? 84, which means x into y is equal to 84 greater than the square of the smaller number. Smaller number, I took this. Very simple. The two equations I got here, solving from these two equations, solving two equations, I'll be getting my x and y value. Very simple. How many have you done this? Guys, look at this. Very, very simple. About x minus y is equal to 2. Okay. So smaller number, he has taken x and larger number y. So, and depends. If I take smaller number as y, larger number x. So difference is what? X minus y is equal to 2. What he has given their product? Xy is equal to 84 greater than the smaller number, which is nothing but y square. Okay. So what is y now? Y is equal to x minus 2. Correct. So x into x minus 2 is equal to 84 plus x minus 2 whole square. Correct. So from this I'll be getting x square minus 2x, 84 plus a square plus b square minus 4x. So what you will be getting? 2x is equal to 88 beta. So x value is what? 44. X value is 44, then y value is what now? Y value is 42. Correct. So 42 plus, I need what? Sum of the number. So 44 plus 42, which makes me 86. Anyway, you can solve. Look at this. I just slightly I choose smaller number I took, y greater number I took x. Cool. So this is how we can solve it. Any doubts, beta? Cool. Any doubts? Any doubt, guys?
No doubt, sir.
Very simple. Next question. Solve this 9th question. Quick. Only 2 minutes time. 2 minutes. Make it fast.
Sir, Astha has 70 oranges and Soumya has 50. 70 and 50.
Good, good. Okay. Let's check whether it is correct or not. How many have you done this, guys?
Sir, I got Asta 50 and Soumya 70.
Okay, no problem. We'll see which is correct, which is wrong. Okay. So what I do is, let us not, I think we cannot write here. Okay, we will actually, what we do is, I'll just paste all this. This is a homework. Let me just take this question here. Okay, let's solve this. What he has given, Asta and Soumya each have certain number of oranges. Asta says to Soumya, if you give me 10 of your oranges, I will have twice the number of oranges left with you. Okay. Soumya replies, if you give me 10 of your oranges, I will have same number of oranges as you left with you. Cool. So find the number of oranges with Asta and Soumya has respectively. Okay. So let us take anything, Babu. Look at this here. Let's say that Asta has, I do not know how many Asta has. Asta has X oranges. Okay. X oranges. I mean, Soumya has some Y oranges. Let's say this. Okay. Cool. Asta says to Soumya that if you give me 10 of your oranges, okay, so I will be having twice the number of oranges you left with you. Okay. What is this? Asta says to Soumya that if you give me 10, so X plus 10, 10 gives to whom? To Asta. If Asta will be asking, Asta says to Soumya that if you give me 10 oranges, she will be left with what? Twice of the number of oranges left with you. So Y minus 10. Correct? Am I correct? Twice of the number of oranges left with you. So Y minus 10. She is giving 10 oranges, Babu. So 10 we have to deduct, right? Understood my point? Hello? This is one condition I got. Let us take this as star. And what is another condition given to you? Soumya replies that if you give me 10 of your oranges, which means Soumya says that if you give me 10 of your oranges, from whom? To whom saying? She's saying to Asta. So X minus 10. Then what I will be left with? She will be left with same number of oranges as you left with. So Y plus 10. Asta losing 10 oranges. So that is going to Soumya. So plus 10, right? So very simple now. Let us take this as 10. So solve from star and hashtag, we can check X plus 10 is equal to 2Y minus 20. X minus 10 is equal to Y plus 10. Solving these two, cancel these two, or else we can do one thing. Yeah, anything is fine. Subtract this. Plus, minus, minus. This will be cancelled. 20 is equal to 1 by minus 30. So y is equal to 50 beta. How many of you got this y value? Which means
Otherwise,
Soumya, yeah, Soumya has 50 oranges. Okay, cool. Then what is x is going to be beta? So x minus, I'm substituting here, x minus 10 is equal to 50 plus 60. So 50 plus 10. So is equal to 70. X is equal to 70. Cool. So she has 70 oranges. Who? Asta. Any doubt, guys? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, no, sir.
Very simple. Next question. Hania, no beta. It is 50 comma 70.
Yes, I got it. What I did.
Yes, yes. Cool. Now solve this question. A test has 50 questions. A student scores 1 mark for one correct answer, minus 1 by third for a wrong answer, and minus 1 by 6 for not attempting the question. If the net score of a student is 32, find the number of questions answered wrongly by that student cannot be less than. Understood the question? Find the number of questions answered wrongly by that student cannot be less than. So what is the number of questions he has wrongly? That should not be less than. How many questions he should not wrongly attempted? That cannot be. What is that number? What should be the number of the answer attempted wrongly? I mean, what should be like, what is the cutoff? That is the meaning of that. You understand the language of the question. Find the number of questions answered wrongly by that student cannot be less than. How many questions you should not make a wrongly? How many questions that cannot be wrong? Very good, Harshil. Very good, beta.
Sir, I got answer as 3.
Who is this?
Nihal, sir.
Nihal, okay, beta, very good. But don't reveal the answer like this. You put a message, put your answer in chat box. Don't reveal the answer. Okay, beta?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So a test has 50 questions. And how many categories we have? 1 mark for correct answer. Okay, correct answer, wrong answer, and not attempted. So 3 categories, 3 parameters he has talking about. I mean, he has given and he's talking about. Okay. So total number of questions 50, right? And what we need to find, look at it here. Let the number of correct answers is equal to x. Number of wrong answers is equal to y. Number of not attended z. So summation of all this is what? 50 questions. Okay. And what he has given here? 1 mark for correct answer. So correct answer is x, right? So 1 mark. Wrong answer is what? Y we took. Which means minus y by 3. Wrong answer, right? Deduction. And not attempting also 1 by 6 is equal to 50. Cool. So what is LCM here? 6 minus 2y. So this is 1 into x, right? 1 into x here, sorry. 1 into x. Okay. So which means 6x you get here. Minus z is equal to 300. Oh, not 50 here, not 50. I'm sorry. How much you have? The net score, sorry, net score. After doing all these activities, net score is what? 32, right? Equating with 32, not with 50. Correct? So is equal to 32. Find the number of answers answered wrongly
Sir,
by.
that will be 192. 32 into 6.
Yeah, 32 into 6 it will be 192, right? So 192. So now I have 1 and 2. Solving these two, multiplying 1 with what? 6. 6x plus 6y, multiplying 6 into 1. So 6z is equal to 300. So 6x minus 2y minus z is equal to 192. Subtraction this, minus plus plus minus. So 8y plus 7z is equal to 108. Correct? Isn't it, guys? Or else you eliminate any other number.
I eliminated Z, sir. Directly.
Eliminated z. Okay. If you do this, so what is your y is going to be now? 108 minus 7z whole divided by 8. Am I correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Now what we need to find out? Oh, I think like we cannot eliminate whatever we wish to. Whatever we want to, we cannot eliminate. We have to eliminate as per the question demands. Wrongly attempted, right? Wrongly attempted question cannot be. So yes, we have to eliminate x only. I mean, we have to eliminate z only. So what we do is, now we'll do one thing. Look at this. Eliminating z, what can I do, beta? So 6x, 6y, or else like adding 1 and 2, right? Simply adding 1 and 2. So 7x minus y is equal to 242. Am I correct? X is equal to 242 plus y by 7. This is my x value I got. X is nothing but correct answers, right? Find the number of questions answered wrongly by that student cannot be less than. Okay, what are the possible values of y? If I substitute y, what you are going to get? What is x? 242 plus 1 by 7. 243 by 7. So 7 threes, 7 4, 34 point something you get. Correct? If y value is 2, what is your x is going to be? 244 by 7. Again 34, not 34, 34 point something again. Correct? So y is equal to 3 means what? 245 by 7. 7375. So I'm getting exactly the integer when I'm taking y value as 3. Correct? The minimum value is what, beta? What is the minimum value of y now? Beta, questions cannot be like the value cannot be like this. The minimum value is what? Minimum value of y is 3 can be taken here. Here x and y both are integers, beta. Okay. X and y are both integers or not? X and y both are integer. Correct answer, wrong answers. How can be correct answers somewhere in decimals, and how can be the wrong answers in somewhere decimals? All right. It will be some integer, right? Understood my point? Understood, Babu? So,
Yes, sir.
so the minimum value of y is what? It should be 3 beta. So I cannot take y value as 1, 2 is not possible. So if I take y value as 3, then only I'm getting integer. Okay. Understood my point? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So this is how you solve this type of question. He's talking about wrongly by the student cannot be lesser than. So wrong is y. So y should be what? Less than. I mean y should be 3 only. It cannot be 1 and 2. Understood the proper thing what we have done here? Guys, understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Now solve this question. Where is that? Everyone solve this question. At a certain fast food restaurant, Amit can buy 3 burgers. Amit can buy 3 burgers, 7 shakes, and 1 order of fries for 120. At same place, it would cost 164.50 for 4 burgers, 10 shakes, and order of fries. So how much would it cost for an ordinary meal of 1 burger, 1 shake, and 1 order of fries? For 120 rupees, 3 burgers, 7 shakes, and 1 order of fries. Same place, it would be 164.50 for 4 burgers, 10 shakes, and 1 order of fries. How much would it cost for an ordinary meal of 1 burger? So we need to find out one burger, one shake, and one order of fries, beta. Harshil, very good, Harshil. Can you explain, Harshil, how you solve this question?
So I did 3b plus 7s plus f is equal to 120.
Mm-hmm.
Then I took 4b plus 10s plus f is equal to 164.50.
Okay.
Then I did b plus 3s is equal to 44.5. Then so b is equal to 44.5 minus 3s. And that is my third one.
Okay.
Then I got 3b plus 7s plus f is equal to 120.
Okay. Okay. Got it.
Sir, I'm Neha, sir, I got 31.
Sir, I'm Mohit, sir. I got 31.
Sorry. 31 you got?
Sir, 31 rupees.
Yes, sir, 31 rupees.
Yes. 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 So the how much cost it would? How much cost it? Like how much would it be costing for ordinary meal of one burger, one shake, and one order of fries? Very
Sir,
simple. Like
31
you
rupees,
take an
sir.
equation and solve it. Okay. So look at this here. Let's say that burger I'm taking it as X. And shakes, let's take it as Y. One order of fry. I'm taking it as Z. Okay. Or you take A, B, C, anything, whatever you feel. So basically, like for this, it is costing 3 burgers, 7Y, and 1Z is equal how much beta? 120. Correct? It's the same, like it would be costing 164.50 if I buy 4 burgers, 10 shakes, and one order of 5, 164.50. All right, isn't it? So solving this to what I'm going to get here now, subtract this, minus, so minus X minus 3Y is equal to how much beta?
Minus 44.5.
Yes, so X plus 3Y is equal to 44.50. Okay, people. So this is what I got. So what I need to find out? Let us take this as one second equation. This is third equation. So now, if you compare these two, how can I solve? Multiplying second equation with 4. So third equation with the 4. Correct. Let's do it by 4 into 144.50. How much you get, beta? Or else, yeah. Y is equal to 44.50. So 44.5, 44 and half. So 120, 133, correct? 133.50. So let's take just fourth equation. Now 2 minus 4, 4 will be getting cancelled. So minus 2y. And how much you get, beta? Minus 2y minus z. Or else we'll do one thing. Let us do 4 minus 2 without any tension. 4 minus 2 will do 4x. 4x will get cancelled. 12y minus 2y minus z is equal to how much you get? 164.40 and 135.50. 009 14, so 9, so 29. Correct? So 29.29 I'm getting there. So what is the now what I need to find out? Look at this here. 2y minus z is equal to 29 I got. What should we do now? I need to find out one one ordinary meal of one burger, one shake, one order of fries. So okay. I need to find out the price. So x, y, z I need to find out, right?
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, it's subtraction. You wrote 135.5, but it's 133.5.
133 point. Oh my goodness. Acha, acha, acha. Here it. Oh my goodness. Here 133, right?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
I wrote it 135. Cool. So then it will be
31.
131. So it will be 31. Then how can I solve this now? Let us take this as fifth equation. So what are the equation I need to solve? Let us solve 3 and 4. So 3 and 5. 3 and 5, what can I do? No, 3 and 5, yeah. I can eliminate y here so that I'll get z. So third equation I'm multiplying with what? 2. And fifth equation I'm multiplying with the 3 and subtracting them. All right. So third equation with the 2. So 2x plus 6y, 88. So 89. and the fifth equation multiplying with 3. So 6y. But again, it will be in two variables. So that is a problem. Huh? So it is not work out. So let us,
So substitution method.
yes, substitution method we can do. Let's do one thing, or else let's do 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means what you are going to get? X plus 3y.
Sir,
So 2y minus z minus x minus 3y.
So
31
isn't it minus 31 or so?
Huh?
Isn't it minus 31?
4 minus 2, right? Yes. It should be minus 31 beta. So minus 31 here. Correct. So now what you are going to get now? Tell me. So minus y minus z minus x. How much here? Minus 75.50 I'm getting. So taking minus common both sides, I'm getting 75.50. How many have you got this? I think, is there any calculation mistake? Plus minus check kar lo. X plus 1. This is the summation of, I mean, this is the cost of, minimum cost I would be getting. Any plus minus mistake? Check. So from the first, minus x minus 3y, here minus 44.50. Cool. So taking my, I mean, multiplying minus on both sides, I took this third equation. So multiplied a third equation with a 4. I got this. Fourth equation, I got this. Subtracted 4 from the 2. Okay. 4 minus 2 I did. Okay. Subtracted 2 minus 1. 2 from 4. y, I mean 2y minus z. How come minus z? Okay, minus z only. Minus 31. Correct only. 2y. 5 minus 3 we did. Yeah, I'm just getting, this is the answer I'm getting, guys. How many have you got other answers? I think people are
sir,
getting.
I got 31, sir.
Yes, sir. I also got 31.
Sir, I also got 31.
Oh my goodness. Then I made a mistake then. मेरा calculation गलत हो गया. Check कहाँ मेरे. I just.
Nice, sir. I think you already got the answer, sir. Like, when we subtract the given two equations, we get x plus 3y equal to 44.5. And then after that, we multiply the x plus 3y into 3. So then we get 3x plus 9y equal to 133.5, sir.
Okay.
And
Okay.
after that, we take the 4x plus 10y plus z equal to 164.5, and then subtract, like if we
No.
subtract
Yes.
the 3x plus 9y
One
thing
second.
from it.
I got this one here.
Yes, sir.
I got this one here. You are subtracting this. You're solving these two, right? That is what you're saying.
Yes, sir, like 4x plus 12y.
Yeah. That is what. Yeah. These two yellow color boxes you're solving. Look at this. These two equations you're solving.
Sir, isn't like 44.5 into 3 equal to 133?
No, I just multiplied here. Third equation with 4x.
Yes, sir, 44.5 like into 3 equal to, no, sir.
So multiplying 4, right?
No, sir, I'm saying multiply it with 3 and then you get 3x plus 9y.
No. Which equation? I just let me tell you.
Yeah, sir. It's okay.
Yes, sir.
Third
So
equation I
we got
multiplied
it.
with 4. This equation I
No,
multiplied
sir, I'm
with 4.
saying multiply the third equation with 3, not 4, with 3.
Why should I? But like I have 4x, right? I should multiply with 4 only, right? Acha, then
Yes, sir. Then we get x and y, like, the remainders. Like, we get the leftovers.
okay. So 1 second, people.
Yes, sir.
So 44.5 into 4 is 178.
Yes, guys, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So as I was saying, multiply the third equation into 3.
Okay, let us go with this. As per Mohit suggest, 1 second.
Yes, sir.
Sir, here only by multiplying with 4, you didn't mistake, sir. Multiplying the 44.5 into 4, we will get 178. You wrote 133.5.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
multiplying it 4. Oh my goodness.
Yes,
Acha.
sir. So as I was,
44.50 into 4. Yes.
It's 178.
yes, so
170.
133.5 is
This is what we
44.5
get.
into 3.
So now, then you'll be getting plus only here.
Sir, it's 178 only.
Sir, only 178. not
178.
178.
So 178 minus 164, how much? 14.50. Correct? Am I correct? Correct or not?
So 178 minus 164.5.
64 point.
Sir, 178 minus 164.5 is
13.5.
13.5.
13.50. Yes. Then, yeah. Then we will be getting this. So 5 minus 3 again. Yes, we will get it correctly only. We will get the answer now. Yes, sir. 31 only will get it. 5 minus 3. Now
So,
you solve it. 1 second now. So
yes, sir.
5 minus 3 means 2y minus z minus x minus 3y is equal to how much? 31, right? Minus 31. So minus x, so minus y minus everything you are getting negative. So both side negative will be getting cancelled. 31 only. Yes, 31 is the right answer. I made a mistake here only. Look at it. 178 I didn't write. I just multiplied it 3. Okay, cool.
Sir.
Yes, Mohit.
Yes, sir. A small thing, sir. I did it in a bit different method.
Oh.
Sir, the third equation, sir. I multiplied it with 3. And then, sir, like when I multiplied it with 3, I got 3x plus 9y
Yeah,
equal to
anyway, answer is
130.
matching. Equations can be solved in any way. Okay.
Okay,
But the
sir.
answer is matching or not, at last that is matters.
All right, sir. Then
All
it's
right, that
correct.
is matter. Anyhow you solve. Answer is matching or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. There are different ways to solve an equation, right? That's right. Yeah. Concept level question. These are very simple question actually. Now everyone solve this question. Take this question as a homework, guys. I think we're done with the time. I have to go with your seniors class right now, JEE batch. So they are waiting actually. Okay, this is homework beta. Okay, take this question as homework, and the questions whichever I just give you, I'll post the homework in the group as well today. Okay, this question and the first question. Look at this. I'll share these notes. Take these 2 questions homework. Do solve it. Had a nice discussion today. We will meet in the next session. Goodbye. Thank you. Please do finish the homework, guys. Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye.
And your Sunday's topic
Thank you,
would be
sir.
Sunday's topic would be a pair of linear equations only. Okay, prepare well. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.